Good morning, guys. How is everyone? I hope you guys are doing great. All right, today is Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday, and it is still April. And oh, I'm in the way. And today is the 14th. All right, the weather. It is supposed to be sunny today. There's supposed to be some clouds in the afternoon, but sunny most of the day. And we're going to go with warm because the high is supposed to be low 50s. So we're going to kind of call that warm. Warmer than they said yesterday was supposed to be. So when I looked up the current events for today, there's nothing new in current. So there's just nothing going on right now. Kind of crazy to think. So I found some other things. On this day in history, there was a lot of things that happened that aren't very positive. In 1865, our U.S. President Abraham Lincoln was shot. He was the first president to be shot. So not a good thing. The Titanic, it hit an iceberg on this day. Like, there's just not a lot of good things that happened. The Dust Bowl. So found that. But on a positive note, today is International Moment of Laughter Day. So today you gotta laugh a bunch, have a lot of fun, tell a lot of jokes, do a lot of fun things. So April 14th, Moment of Laughter Day. So that sounds very fun. All right, for my choice board. I am doing this one, this find a paper towel or a rag and clean 3 things. So I have 3 things laid out, and I will get those on video for you guys to see me cleaning. So let me know what chores you guys are doing, all right, and how you're helping out around the house. Let me see if I can pause me real quick. My table, and it is all over it. Kind of yucky and kind of gross. I'm not sure that Kaden wiped up his spot last night after dinner. So wiping it down. We do have a cover on it, so I am kind of able to use whatever wipe I want. So there is a one surface, kind of wiping it down. All right, let's move to the next surface. Oh, goodness. I am cleaning is our cooktop. It gets really greasy and it really shows on here for whatever reason, a lot worse than our old one. So trying to just keep it pretty clean. Got that one cleaned. All right, and now to my last surface. You can tell from here, but my dogs jump at this door a lot, the sliding door, and it is completely covered. So I'm going to go outside and I'm going to clean this door from its little dog prints and dog smudges and whatnot. So you can see me doing that. Get these ones on the inside that I missed. Oh, hi. All right, guys, and that is me helping out with some chores and doing some cleaning around. So I hope you guys help out around the house and let me know how it goes. Have a great day. I'll talk